Because nature promotes a sense of order, that tranquility, that peace it gives us, the joy, and how beautiful it is. And know that it's God's work, his creation. And that transcendence, that acceptance of the natural world. That gives us that attitude of that stewardship for creation. God created man to have dominion over the plants and the animals. Not to abuse it, but have dominion, to have control, to work within harmony within nature for the purpose of glorifying God. Otherwise, if we respect and honor creation, that disorder, that stress, that selfishness, it creates other gods in our lives. The God of money, the God of wealth, the God of power, the God of selfishness, the God of possession. And what nature does when we get out into it, when I was hunting, that's where I was last week, elk hunting, I felt Psalm 46:10, be still and know that I am God, because there's nobody else out there. And it was so gorgeous. And God answered our prayers. We asked for a successful harvest, and the next day he provided that for us. And I firmly believe he put those elk there for us, because they weren't there seconds before, minutes before. And so he was so powerful, and us honoring his creation, he blessed us. He blessed us with a successful harvest.